Hi guys, Johnny O here. Some parts came in for my Grand National Restoration project. I'll take a minute to tell you about them. Placed an order with G-Body Parts very late Wednesday. They must have packed it up on Thursday, got it shipped because it arrived here first thing Saturday morning. I thought it came pretty fast. So what do we got here? We've got three of these things. These are trunk trim clips. There's a piece of trim that's on the back side of the trunk that is up against the back window, and these clips keep that piece of metal from rubbing on the actual glass of the back window. One of mine is snapped off here. These get brittle when they get old, and I have the original clips in my car, so I'm going to replace all three of them. This is bumper filler hardware. It's screws and nuts for mounting the bumper fillers. My car has the original hardware in it, so I figured that I might as well replace this stuff. This ought to make the body guy's job easier to mount the bumper fillers on the car. These are light switches that go on the inside of the doors. When your door shuts, it pushes that little button that's there. Turns off the inside light. Mine are rusty, so we're going to replace those. Got a whole bunch of body bushings. I'm going to go through these quick because I'll make a separate video to talk in more detail about bushings. These here, this is the 22-piece kit of body bushings. Got radiator core support bushings. They came with the nuts and bolts. Some frame repair washers. I don't know if we're going to need these or not, but I ordered a couple of them just to have them and show the body guy what they are and that I can get them. A few more bushings related to the radiator. These sit on top of the radiator, and then there's a plate that goes over there, and this goes in between the radiator and the plate. There's 4 of these in this kit. This stuff over here, this is the T-top, the stainless steel T-top kit. And these are the pieces that you see when you take your T-tops out. You see something there, that's these pieces here. They're stainless steel, and that's for a reason. The stainless steel is not going to rust, and there's different grades of stainless steel that you can get. This stainless steel is non-magnetic, and the non-magnetic stainless steel is even more corrosion resistant. Here's a little magnet, and you can see that the frame repair washers stick to the magnet, and for the T-top pieces, the magnet doesn't stick on any of them. This is an 8-piece kit. You can order these pieces individually or in groups, like these 2 header pieces. You can order those separately. You can order this big piece that goes on the center rail separately, and some of these other pieces individually. This came with every piece wrapped in good heavy plastic so that they weren't rubbing on each other in shipping, so that's a good thing. This is windshield trim filler pieces. And when you look at your windshield, you can see that there might be some gaps in there between the windshield and the actual body that it mounts into. And this stuff helps fill those gaps and keep debris out, and that should help keep some of the debris and moisture out of there, and maybe stop things from rusting in the future. And then last, in this box, we've got some upholstery, some front seat covers, and I got them with the headrests. So we're going to take a closer look at the seat covers in another video, and compare these to my back seat, which is original fabric. So that's what I got for right now, and I'm excited to get this project going and underway. The car's at the body shop. We'll get these parts to them and keep things moving. Thank you very much.